Now it's time for us to set the tent and get right to editing. All right, where's the tent, co-creator? Okay.
I think we just gotta connect all of them first. It can't be that hard. 5 hours later. So you see this clip?
Yeah.
You gotta put it inside that hole. On the bottom. We're getting it.
Ah.
It's coming to life.
It's too short.
How do people do this by themselves? It's coming to life. Whoa, it's coming to life. Like, that's what it looks like. Dude, we got it. Oh, well, if you got... Yeah, we got it.
I'm gonna just like put this all over the This is so cute. I don't know if this should be
I'm gonna take this home after.
I don't know if this is so like this should have been like used like outdoors. Like it's like a waste to just see it ourselves only. That's how pretty it is.
Dude, it's a balloon. Yeah. Yeah, 이거 아니지. Are we just gonna go in? No, I'm making it nice and cozy inside.
Alright, nice.
Dude, our butts are gonna be so comfortable.
A picnic is not a picnic without the snacks.
Yeah, can you bring that later?
After that?
Yeah, let me just...
Alright. Can I come in? Okay. I think that's the biggest it can get.
And I think I'm supposed to put the wire inside the ball.
Through that? Is that even possible? And then it says that you have to fill it up with air again, and then knot it. Wow!
Grab it, grab it, grab it.
No, I mean like this is 잘했다 형. 솔직히 이거 괜찮아. There you go. Now just click the thing. There you go.
It only took
it looks like he's blowing it.
Yeah.
Alright, whatever.
It only took 75 minutes, guys. It's okay.
Alright, we got that done.
Hello, we have finally finished making the tent inside this wonderful house. It only took 84 minutes. While Mark was setting all the whole tent up, I was making a song. Mark was making a tent.
A tent.
But then he
made
it so bad. We should make our own TV show. Call it Johnny.
Yo, this is so
and maybe Mark.
This is so dramatic. The mood. It's like It's like suspense.
Yes. My music genre is suspense, guys. Thank you for tuning in.
Yo, you wanna do cheers? I'm actually kind of thirsty. Ready? Pull up. Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Our first movie.
Dude, we're like Ben Affleck.
And Matt Damon.
And Matt Damon. Dude, what's that movie called again?
Good Will Hunting.
Yeah,
it's one of my favorite movies.
It's our Good Will Hunting. This movie is our Good Will Hunting.
Dude, you're making me feel so much more like emotional now. This is our Good Will Hunting.
Nice.
So you guys are witnessing Johnny's and Mark's first Good Will Hunting.
You know what Matt Damon and Ben Affleck did not do? They didn't make a behind the scenes. But we have that too.
Hold on, let me bring my phone. If I just find the chords to the ukulele, we can actually busk in here.
Make sure to wear your jacket. It's cold outside.
An E. Oh, it's an E. Alright, now let's go.
Well, you jumped on me, you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. If Can I wait on yours?
No, way, bro. Yo, you see that? First movie today, first ukulele song today.
I don't know you, but I want you all the more for that. Take this sinking boat and point it on. We still got time.
Yes, baby. You guys are in the zone. I want to see how our 2 shots came out. Like the handshake. We probably looked so dumb.
When's your mom's birthday? I think.
Yeah, we look cute. Head hurts. From there we go into the angle where you filmed me from the back, right?
Yeah.
That's where we cut it. All right. We did our own cuts, our own slates, our own actions, and our own cues.
Why'd we talk so much?
Because we were planning it all while we were acting.
Did we barely film anything?
We pretty much fooled around the whole time.
After you start battling.
We didn't get any work done.
아니야 했어.
Dude,
No,
I
but like
swear we filmed more though. I swear.
What am I supposed to say at it? And then jump. Alright. On 1, okay? On 1.
on 1.
6, 7, 8.
1. Johnny's got the editing done. Almost
When's your mom's birthday?
Almost done.
Dude, no one's gonna believe this was an amateur movie.
No one.
How many times do I fuck this? Look at it! Dude! Don't even use that! Ever!
Dude, like little by little
We kind of progressed all the way.
I became you in the middle. I did.
Now she kind of comes to an end.
In the beginning, I was acting as you,
yeah.
but I became you. Standing in the middle.
that's professional.
Yeah.
You became the character.
Yes.
Shut up! This is serious.
Like I don't know what you do.
Okay, Jafam, thanks for tuning in on another episode of Johnny's Communication with Mark Lee.
Mark Lee over here. We were like, we didn't know how funny this could ever get, you know?
No, I knew it was gonna be funny.
I actually didn't.
I just didn't think it was gonna be this funny.
I mean, because like looking at each other act and like doing that, you know, that concept itself was really funny.
While editing, we noticed how most of it was just us making the idea.
And just laughing.
Yeah, and then everything else was just like one take once we got it.
Yeah. Like for the typical amateur style.
Yes. This episode of JCC was possible because of our citizens. I would like to say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jafam. And thank you, Mark.
Thank you, Jafam.
Thank you to myself.
Thank you, Johnny.
To you, viewer.
And our team.
Yes, the whole team.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys stay safe.
JCC.
JCC.
Peace, guys.